Good afternoon. This is call number 2022-05584. In the interest of Saria Williams, all parties and witnesses, please unmute yourselves and raise your right hands to be sworn. Is she on by telephone or video, Ms. Eoff?
She has video capability, Your Honor.
Okay. Turn on your video also. All right. Raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Shalana Anderson, her mother.
All right. And for the state?
Andrea Eoff.
And court will note that the non-custodial parent is Stephen Joel Williams. Mr. Williams was personally served at 8 a.m. on February 17th, 2022. It appears that he is not at 4250 Highway 202, Garza West in Beeville, B County, Texas. It appears he's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Zio?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you. Your Honor, we'd like to call Shalana Anderson.
All right.
All right. Ms. Anderson, will you please state your full name?
Shalana Anderson.
And what is the name and age of your child?
Soraya Williams. She's 8.
And who is the father of that child?
Stephen Williams.
And is it true that Mr. Williams signed an acknowledgement of paternity regarding your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking that the court appoint you and Mr. Williams as joint managing conservators of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking that the court, you as the conservator who designates the child's primary residence in Harris and contiguous counties?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking that the court order a standard possession order for visitation for Mr. Williams?
Yes.
And how is your child currently covered for health insurance?
Sure. Medicaid.
All right. And are you asking that the court order you to apply for and maintain that government medical program?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And is it true that Mr. Williams is currently incarcerated?
Yes.
And is it true that he is and will be serving a sentence that is longer than 90 days?
Yes.
And so based on that, is it true that he has zero income at this point in time?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order that he pays zero child support and zero medical support due to his incarceration?
Mm-hmm.
And are you requesting that the court order any sort of retroactive or back child support?
No, ma'am.
All right. And is it true that you have children with a man who is not Mr. Williams?
Yes.
And is it true that you are concerned that you will be at risk of harassment or threats or abuse if that other person is able to obtain your address and phone number from this court order?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking that the court keep your information confidential so that this other person cannot get that information?
Yes, please.
And are you asking, do you believe that a court order that contains the terms we just talked about would be in your child's best interest?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to enter and sign an order to that effect today?
Yes.
I pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right. The court will approve the orders.